Hello, and today we are looking at the Welly Delorean Time Machine from Back to the Future Part 2 in 1/24 scale. And this is a nice detailed die-cast metal model with tons of detail. As you can see, this one in particular has the wheels in fly mode. As you can see, it says so here. And as you can also see just from the model itself, looking through this nice little display window, you can see this model comes back in this nice little box here, which can be easily nicely displayed, like as it is. She has the scale, of course the movie it's from, Back to the Future Part 2, and the name of its model, the DeLorean Time Machine, one of the most iconic vehicles in all of cinema history. We have a quick look around the box. You can see we've got a nice couple images of the time machine on the sides of the box. And then on the back, we have a little bit about the plot of Back to the Future Part 2. Of course, this is when they go from 1985 to the future, or their future of 2015. And Doc Brown modifies his DeLorean so it can fly with the wheels like so. Now let's open up the box and have a closer look at the model itself. Nicely take it out, don't want to be too rough with it. Even though it is die-cast metal model, it is a die-cast metal model, but some parts may be more delicate. She comes packaged on this nice little bit here. A little stand here with Hill Valley 2015, of course where they're living in the future. And we just take it off, like so. And there you have it, the Welly Delorean Time Machine from Back to the Future Part 2. Of course, it's got the classic time machine look to it, as well as the DeLorean look. The classic chrome metal body, looking really nice. As you can see, looks great as a DeLorean. And of course, the iconic time machine back of it, as well as the classic outer time registration plate on the back. See the big time machine section here. See, it has got movable parts such as wheels that roll like this, and doors that open, so you can see the interior of the time machine looking really nice. You can see on the mirror there, it's reflective. It's also reflective on the rear view mirrors here. If you look hard at the back, it might be a little bit hard on the camera, but there is the flux capacitor at the back of the time machine. And overall, the inside of it is also very detailed, as is the outside. You can see, nice little DeLorean look, with the tons of extra like time machine bits like running across the front, down the sides here, and on the back. It comes with a little accessory here with a little Mr. Fusion reactor. Of course, what they install on the time machine in the future, just to make it run a bit more efficiently. Now, as you can see, it has the wheels in the flying configuration, so down like that. But you can also change them to the normal configuration with this little switch here. As you can see, if you just give it a bit of a pull, you can see the wheels turn back to a regular car. So you can have it as a regular car, which can drive back and forth. Nice look. Or you can change it back to the flying mode and have it on display like this. Of course, the car was introduced as flying in the film, and the iconic scene of Doc Brown where he tells Marty, roads, where we're going, we don't need roads. And he changes the car from the driving mode into the flying mode, and then as they fly off back to the future. So overall, it's a really, really nice model. Just looking at all of the details. See the headlights, DMC for DeLorean. On the underneath, you can see it's got Back to the Future 2 written on it, its scale, and the manufacturer of the model. Again, really nice interactive features with the wheels being able to change. A really nice, unique thing, as well as opening doors. Nice little accessory coming with it. So overall, it's a great little model for everything. of course, is from Back to the Future 2, one of the most iconic, film series there has ever been. Really nice piece of memorabilia from that film. Great little display piece for either, of course, wheels down, wheels up, depending on how you preferred that model. Let's put it back to the wheels down for now. And just looking at it, its size, it has a length of about 17.5 centimeters, a height of about 6 centimeters, and it's about 7 centimeters wide. So overall, it's a nicely sized model, great for a display piece of anyone who is a fan of the Back to the Future films, or DeLorean, or time machines, sci-fi. Just overall, it is a great piece for a lot of people, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.